Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are continuing our week with the Heirloom Boutique Bundle, and it is Thursday, so I am throwing back my greetings on here. This with Deepest Sympathy. I thought it was a few months old. It's actually April 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit is where the With Deepest Sympathy comes from. In behind here, I have used the Paradise Garden folder. And we've got our Velvet Meadow Designer Series paper, and it is super soft. I've done the background in the Peaceful Pine. This is cloud cover, and the ink is Garden Green, which when you do it like this is a super close match to here, so I'm not worried that I don't have the ink for this one. I wanted to show a couple of different ways of doing depth in the background, so you can have a smaller front and a little bit more space. So this one I used the embossing folder, and for the one I'm going to make on the video today, I used my white embossing powder. So we've got a card base and then a 5 1/4 by 4 that I have put the white heat embossing powder on and heated it up and created this really pretty background. Okay. And then these pieces here, when I cut my paper down to 5 1/4 by 4, I end up with a 1 1/2 by 4 piece. And I love to use them as kind of contrast bands across my cards. Super simple way to make a really effective card. You just need a 5 1/4 by 4. You need this strip like this. And then you just pop your greeting on. And this thank you is from the Paper Pumpkin from December 2024. This set had a bunch of really nice greetings on it. So the sympathy card, I'm not going to put any bling on. It's neutral enough that it could be a masculine card or a feminine card. It doesn't really matter. It's got Lily of the Valley in the background, but it's not distinct. So it's actually a really good option for a masculine sympathy card. So I'm just going to pop this down. I'm not going to put one in the middle because I'm going to be adding my greeting, and I'm not going to dimensionalize the greeting, but it's going to add depth and thickness. So I'm not going to worry about doing that. Over to the side again, just kind of popping it down into this corner here. The thank you. If you wanted to, you could fussy cut this out and add it on. I'm going to leave it as a wide band. I'm just going to flat mount it like this, and it's going to go right in the middle like that. So it really kind of carries the eye across that band. Now for this one, I am going to use the natural matte dots, and I'm just going to put a few of the white ones just around and about, just to kind of bring, again, that little bit of interest in. Again, you could do the same thing with a sympathy card if you wanted to. I don't tend to bling up sympathy cards, but we've got our embossing folder, so dry embossing with tone on tone with the card base there, and then we've got the white heat emboss powder heated up and sealed as ways to create an effective background. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.